Alright, so it's been a long time coming, everybody. You know what this is right here. If y'all don't know what it is, you about to find out. How long I've been on YouTube? I've been on YouTube for 10 years. 10 years. I should have got this in 2012 or 13. Yeah, so I finally got my plaque. They didn't send it out of nowhere. I actually had to apply for that. I've been asking for it, trying to figure out how everybody get theirs. I've even applied for it even then. You know, I tried to go through a couple of websites and I never actually was successful at it. So finally, after all these years, I found the right website to hit up, and I don't know where to start at. I found the right website to hit up, and I finally got my plaque. Now, this is just one plaque. This is the gold one, the 100,000 subscriber one. I think it's a 50,000 subscriber one, all other kind of shit, but I'm about to figure out how to open it. But nigga, I'm about to just do this thing like it's Christmas. God damn. But it's been a long time coming, y'all. It's been a real long time coming. It's been a long time coming, but I know plaque gon' come. Oh yes it is. It's been too hard living, but I know. That dog is okay. Oh, here it go. Here it go. Here it go. Here it go, boy. If you smell what the rock is cooking, do you smell what smoking is cooking? Yeah, jabroni. Finally got my plaque, jabroni. Gotta hold it up. You smell what success is cooking? FCHW, baby. Let's go. There we go, baby. Now how they be doing on the Super Bowl when they get their little ring? Or when they get their trophy, they Lombardi trophy? If you smell it loud, what this plaque is cooking. We're done, jabroni. 1 million subscribers. I got 1.9. It's been sitting there for a while. We're done, jabroni.
Entertainment.